In this video, let's talk about how to create Google Chrome extensions for other companies. So we're going to work with the same idea of XYZ company, except for now that company is your client. So your client is XYZ company and they need a Google Chrome extension. So I've got a couple examples of what you can build for someone else. So the first example is a Google Chrome extension that has information on how to get started in the company. So it's branded to the company. So we've got XYZ company logo at the top. We've got the footer down at the bottom. It's completely branded to them. But inside of this Google Chrome extension, they can give this to their users. And it's got a video on how to get started inside the company, how to complete their profile, how to register for their bonuses, and how to contact support if they need any help. So this would be a great getting started resource for a company that needed to give this information to their particular clients, customers, even their employees. So this would be a great way to create an extension for them that looks professional and is very useful to the users. Another really good example of how you can help a business by building them a Chrome extension is to give them a pre-made checklist that maybe their customers need. So if you take a look at this particular Google Chrome extension, this allows them to add up to 25 different items on their checklist. It's branded to them with their logo at the top and branded to them with their information and link at the bottom. And this is just a checklist. So they can put together a checklist of what their customers need to follow or what their employees need to follow. And as they check these items off, they can just check the box and it shows that that item is done. There's also some task information if they need to add more task information. And if the person using the checklist needs to make notes, they can click the notes area and add a simple note. And now that item has a note added and there's a little indicator that there's a note available. And they can click into that note and see it anytime, edit it anytime, and then hide it again. So this is another great one that you can build and brand for a company to give to their employees or give to their customers. The third example is just a daily affirmation. This is something that a company can give to their customers, their employees, and it's a daily affirmation that the customer or employee can open up. It will give them the date and the time currently, and it will give them the day's affirmation. So each day there'll be a different affirmation. And remember, it's branded to XYZ company up at the top with the logo and down at the bottom in the footer. So that's just a really quick example of 3 different extensions you can build for other companies and charge them a fee for doing that for them.